Recognize and say big K and small k and get to know some words that begin with letter K. All right, let us sing A B C D. Let's go. A B C D. C D E F G H I J K L M N O P R S T U V. Yes. Everybody sing with me.
With me.
Yes, very good singing. Wow. Okay. Oh, Xingyan, I prepared some candies. What are these?
都给了这么多糖果。
These. Oh, I will give candies for Xingyan and your sister if you get the correct answer, okay? Alright, let's go now. Let's learn. Are you ready?
Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Right, very good. Alright, Xingyan, we have K. Say K, K, K.
再大声读。
K. K is for Kate. Can you say Kate?
Kate.
Kate.
K is for Kate.
Yes, okay, very good. This one. K is for Kim. Kim.
Amy.
Kim.
But this is mine.
K is for Kim. Can you say it? Okay, let's trace K. Can you trace K? Trace K. Very good. Keep going. Yes, very good. Oh, and I'll give you two candies. Two candies. One, two. Wow, very nice. Yay, clap your hands. All right, great job. Now let's go now. We have small letter kite. Can you say kite? Kite.
K.
Yes. Say kite. Kite.
K is for cat.
Okay. This is the kite. Very good. Okay, Xingyan, we have K as in kitchen. Can you say kitchen?
For kitchen. 说 K is for
Kitchen.
kitchen. 他说 K is for， 大声说
Kitchen. Okay. This is the kitchen. All right, very good. I'll give you two candies. Wow. I'll put it in your board. Great job. Okay, let's go now. We have K is for kick.
K is
Can
for
you say kick?
K is for 快继续说 K is for cake.
Say kick.
快说 K is for cake. 大声，那大声。
Okay, very good. That is kick. Wow. Look at the boy. He is kicking the ball. Wow. All right, let's have this. Letter K as in
哦
key.
K is for 什么？钥匙。
Key. Key.
K.
Okay. Key. All right. Can you do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. Key. Key.
现在记好。二宝、男宝。
Okay. Very good.
现在开始啊。
This is the key, alright? This is the key. Oh, let's write K. Letter K. Small letter K. Small letter K. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Great job. I'll give you 2 candies. Wow, look. 2 candies. Nice. I'll put it in your candy board. Wow. Great job. Yes. Great job. The two of you. Okay, let's have. Ooh, look at this. Big K. Big K.
Big K. 来 Big K.
Small K.
Small K.
Small K, small K. Yes, very good. Our Xingyan, circle big K, circle big K, circle big K, circle.
Big K.
Circle big K, circle.
Big K.
Yes. Circle small, yes, very good. This is small K and big K. Very good. Okay, let's play some games. Are you ready?
Play some games. 有 games.
Are you ready?
游戏。
All right, let's go. Okay. Yes, Shingen. Right.
你写了，然后你先写这个。来
Big
K。哎，错了，昨天往这写啊，你看箭头。
Big K.
Big K. 来 small K.
Small K.
你看这个
Small K. Yes, very good. Great job. Okay, now let us find the letter K. Let us find letter K. Put an underline like this. Wow. Where is letter K? Can you underline? Underline. Underline. Where is letter K? Underline. 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 Underline.
这种。
Yes, underline. Yes, underline. Yes, underline. Yes, very good. Wow, great job, Shingen. I'll give 2 candies. Wow, I'll put it in your. Ooh, look at that.
哇，老师给的贴贴。
Board. Wow, great job. Lots of candy. Wow. Wow, draw a line. Draw a line. This is big K,
你们俩好好上课。
small K. Draw a line to big K and small K. Yes. Draw a line. Go. 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 Draw a line. 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 Shingen. Draw a line. Big K, small K. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Okay, this is the small K. This one. And the big K. Wow, very good. Watching in, let's read some sentence. Okay, let's read some sentence. Can you read this one, Xingyan? Kim is happy. Kim is happy. Can you say?
Is happy.
Kim is happy.
No, I like Kimi.
Kim
No, I like Kimi. 好，好，I like Kimi. 好
Can you say it? Kim is happy.
Kim is happy.
All right, let's say Kim. Kim.
Kimi. Kimi. Kimi.
Kim. Let's say Kim.
Kimi. 快坐着。
All right, I like Kim.
I like Kim.
I like Kim. Yes, very good. All right, this is a kite. Kites can fly. Can you say? Kites can fly. Kites can fly.
I'm flying.
Yes, I
like
kites. All right, very good. All right, let's play some game. Circle the answer. What is this?
哪个？
Kate. Kate. We will write big. Big.
你快快点。
All right, yes, big K. Very good. How about this? Circle the letter K. Circle the letter K. Circle. 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 Circle the letter K. Circle.
Circle. Circle K.
Letter K. Circle. Circle.
Letter K. Letter K.
All right, very good. This is letter K. This is letter K. Great job.
做哈。
Okay, let's do this again.
哦，
Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Kate, can you say Kate?
说。
Can you say Kate 3 times? Kate, Kate, Kate.
大人说3遍啊，预备开始。K。
Kate, Kate, Kate.
来，快开始，告诉你，我画小星星了，我画掉了哈。快你们俩一起。K K K K K K K。
All right, let's have Kim. Kim, Kim, Kim.
Kim。 哎，棒棒。
Yes, very good. All right. Let's have Kite, 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 Kite.
Cat， 快说。大人说3遍。
All right. Okay. Kitchen.
Kitchen， 大人说。Kitchen Kitchen。
Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen.
我看我要加分了啊。好，告诉你一个星星。
All right. Okay.
好，来 cake， 大人说。
Cake,
快3遍啊。哎，你不要加了，
cake, cake, cake.
这个二宝没有的哈。好，快，拿这个 cake，快点。
Cake, cake, cake. Yes.
都有。
Key, 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 key.
好，最后一个。
Key, key, key. All right. Good job. Okay. So this one, can you read on your own, Xingyan?
说这句话
Miss
啊。
Happy, you read on your own.
Kim
Kim
is happy。
Yes, and then this one.
来这个什么 ？I， 告诉你啊，看黑板。I like Kim。来，大人说3遍。I like Kim。
Kites can fly.
哦 ，cats can fly。大人说。 Cats can fly， 能飞。
All right. I like kites.
对 ，I like cat。
Right, I like kites. Okay.
Nah.
All right, so you learned today. Can you read this one, Xingyan, on your own? Can you read?
来，快读这个是啥？
Read.
快大声说。
Kate.
Kate. A 发 A 的音。好 ，cat
All right.
kick
Kick.
cake 好，这儿
Kim.
came 这个
Kitchen.
这个呢？钥匙的钥匙的
Key.
钥匙的钥匙的
Key. All right. Great job. Okay. So what letter is this? What letter is this? Letter?
K letter K
Letter? Yes. Where is big K? Encircle big K. Encircle. Circle big K. Can you circle big K?
Eh, circle
Yes. How about small K? Small K. Small K.
Okay, small K, big K.
All right. Very good. Okay. Okay, Xingyan, I will give you.
I will give you 老师要给你什么呀？你知道我
I will give you 4 candies. Wow, great job. All right, I'll put it in your candy board. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow, great job. Can you count your candies? Ready? Go. 1,
2
yes. You have 12 candies. Wow, great job, Xingyan. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Can you clap your hands? Yay! Congratulations. All right, Xingyan. So, today, Xingyan, you learned about Kate, kite, kick, Kim, kitchen, key, and also letter K, big K, and small K. All right. So, what you're going to do now, Xingyan, is to practice these words at home, and then,
Okay.
yes, practice this one at home, and then practice writing letter K.
Okay.
Okay? So you ask help from your mommy when you want to practice letter K. Okay? Is that okay with you, Xingyan?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So let us sing again the ABC song. Ready? Go.
ABC song. V W V everybody sing with me.
Okay, so that's it for our lesson, Xingyan. Okay, before we say goodbye, Xingyan, can we sing the goodbye song? Ready? Go! Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.
Super.
Very good. Okay. Because you are great in singing, I will give three more stars. Oh, three more candies. Wow. Okay, I'll put it in your candy board. One, two, and
Wow.
three. Wow. Nice one, Shingen. High five. High five. High five. High five.
Titan.
Yes. Okay, Shingen. You like airplane? You like airplane? Choo choo
Airplane. Oh,
choo.
it's airplane.
I give you airplane and
老师给你的啥？
car. Wow.
给
Shingen,
老师送个棒棒糖。
is that? What is that?
You.
What is that?
那说
It's a
棒棒糖
candy? You give it to me? You will
Yes.
give it to me? Yay! I have a gift from you guys. What is that? Wow!
啊，就是 dog。
You give it to
White
teacher?
dog.
Give
White.
teacher?
白色的
Wow! Wow, that's a dog, a small dog. Oh, I also have.
那给老师给个小猪佩奇。
I also have this. Look. A rabbit. It's a